Today we're breaking down why marine subwoofers are built from the ground up to handle environments that would damage or completely destroy a typical car subwoofer. A subwoofer's biggest threat obviously is water. In a car, your subwoofer sits safely inside the vehicle. On a boat, it's fighting like Tom Hanks trying to get Wilson back to dry land. It's dealing with rain, moisture, dust, and humid air constantly. While a car sub might use a pressed paper cone or anodized aluminum, a marine sub uses injection molded polypropylene with UV protection, among a bunch of other options that'll help protect it from moisture so they won't swell or warp. Look at the spider on your sub, the component that keeps the voice coil centered. In many car subs, it's untreated cloth. Marine subwoofers are coated with a synthetic resin that keeps moisture out and maintains its stiffness. The sun is another big factor. UV radiation slowly damages rubber and plastic materials. Marine subwoofers use UV stabilized materials in the cone and the surround. In a car, a subwoofer usually stays tucked away in the trunk. On a boat, it may spend hours sitting in direct sunlight. Without UV protection, the surround can dry out, harden, and eventually fall apart. It's not just the outside of the sub that matters, it's what's inside that matters too. Salty air is extremely corrosive. That's why marine subwoofers use insulated lead wires and gold-plated or protected terminals. Lastly, physics. A car is basically a small sealed box which gives you cabin gain that makes the bass sound stronger. A boat is the exact opposite. It's open to the air, and bass energy just spreads out and disappears. Because of this, many marine subs are designed for infinite baffle or free air applications. Car subs perform best in a custom box. Marine subs are built with stiffer suspensions. This lets you mount them just about anywhere and still hear full, clean bass. So, to answer your question, can you use a car sub on a boat? Sure, why not? Go for it if that's what you want, but it'll only last you a day or a week. But if you want something that's going to last, you need gear built for the elements. If you're ready to upgrade your boat's sound system, head over to SonicElectronix.com. We've got a huge selection of marine-grade subwoofers, speakers, and amps to keep the party going on the water. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car audio and marine-grade audio tips. I'm Dustin. Thank you for watching.